The heart of the home is the kitchen, requiring consistent upkeep. Some spots need daily care, while bigger appliances can wait for weekly or monthly cleaning. This video presents daily, weekly, and monthly kitchen cleaning lists to simplify your process. Let's begin. Supply list. Before you start, make sure you have the necessary tools and cleaning solutions on hand. Spray bottle, cleaning gloves, dish soap, all-purpose cleaner, white vinegar, baking soda, cleaning brush, microfiber cloths, broom, mop, and vacuum. Daily kitchen cleaning checklist. When it comes to your daily kitchen cleaning checklist, focus on the countertops and floors. Put on rubber gloves. I favor disposable, extended-length nitrile gloves. They offer comprehensive protection during routine cleaning tasks. Mix warm water and drops of dish detergent in a spray bottle. For the spray bottle, I selected a continuous pressure atomizing hydration spray bottle for this purpose. Its pump mechanism reduces hand fatigue, and it delivers a uniformly fine mist. Clear the countertops of any decor, appliances, or clutter. Use a clean, damp cloth along with warm, soapy water to wipe down the counters. Don't forget to clean high-use areas like drawer and cabinet pulls, as well as the handle on your microwave. Next, sweep the floors. When it comes to maintaining clean floors, the Swiffer Sweeper stands out as one of my preferred cleaning tools. Its thick, dry cloths are exceptionally effective at capturing pet hair, dander, and other common debris from pets. The ease of attaching the cloth is a notable convenience. I use it as a first step before liquid cleaning. Its swivel head and slim profile are great for hard-to-reach areas. What I appreciate most about this duster is its lightweight nature and versatility across different flooring types. The swivel head and slim profile are particularly useful for accessing challenging areas. After this, I apply a wood floor cleaning solution, and then use a clean microfiber mop to thoroughly clean and buff the floor's surface. My kitchen and dining areas have tile floors, so I use a cordless vacuum for quick daily cleanups after meals. After cleaning, Return any items you moved back to their designated spots on the countertop or elsewhere. Unload the dishwasher and either hand wash any dirty dishes or load them into the dishwasher. Clean the faucet. I previously relied on a toothbrush for cleaning faucets, but discovered the bristles were too soft for stubborn stains. After some research, I discovered a cordless electric power scrubber. This device cleans twice as fast as manual scrubbing, reducing effort and saving time. It's water-resistant, safe to use, and excellent for reaching tight spaces around the house. It's been a real game changer. Now, armed with an all-purpose cleaner and this power scrubber, removing grime from faucets and sinks has become remarkably simple and effortless. I'll include the product link in the video description for you to check out. Take out the trash and recycling. Finally, toss any used cleaning rags or kitchen towels in the laundry and replace them with fresh ones. Weekly kitchen cleaning checklist. In addition to your daily cleaning routine, your weekly tasks should also cover frequently used appliances. Cleaning your toaster to make it look shiny and new involves a few simple steps. Start by unplugging the toaster and letting it cool down. Shake out any loose crumbs. Then brush away any remaining crumbs from the interior. To protect the internal components, insert paper towels or other coverings into the bread slots to prevent water damage. I like to use the pink stuff cleaning paste, which is excellent at removing tough stains, grease, and grime. Plus, it has a pleasant scent. Clean the exterior. Using a disposable crevice cleaning brush helps clean the tight areas. And once you're done, reassemble the toaster. Now my old toaster looks as good as new. Next, focus on the refrigerator. Remove all food items, drinks, and containers. Use a microfiber cloth or sponge with mild dish soap to wipe down all interior surfaces. Another weekly kitchen cleaning task is the stovetop. Your stovetop is the unsung hero of the kitchen, enduring spills, splatters, and tough stains every day. That's why mastering stovetop cleaning is essential for effective kitchen maintenance. Make sure the gas to the stove is turned off. Prepare hot, soapy water. Remove the grates. Soak them in the hot, soapy water for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I use this pressure spray bottle to spray the warm, soapy water to the grates. Using the power scrubber, gently scrub off any remaining gunk. The Pink Stuff cleaning paste is formulated to tackle stubborn, baked-on messes. It's also gentle enough not to damage the material's surface. A little bit of the paste goes a long way. Using warm, soapy water and microfiber cloth to clean the stovetop. Dry the cooktop with a microfiber cloth. Dry and replace the grates. Monthly kitchen cleaning checklist. Time for your kitchen's monthly makeover. This deep clean mission targets those sneaky spots that quietly collect dust and grime. My primary monthly task is to dust the walls and ceiling. Start by gathering all the necessary cleaning supplies. I prefer using a long handle Swiffer sweeper because it's ideal for vertical surfaces and hard to reach areas. Unlike traditional dusting methods, the Swiffer's dry cloth captures dust instead of just moving it around. Its extended reach makes it easy to clean ceilings and the upper parts of walls. Giving your kitchen drawers and cabinets a gentle wipe down with an appropriate cleaner once a month can make a big difference. Be sure to pay extra attention to handles and knobs, as they tend to attract sticky fingerprints, cooking grease, and hidden grime. Regular cleaning will keep your cabinets looking fresh and spotless. Cleaning your microwave monthly is crucial for food safety and odor control. To do this, use lemon juice and run the microwave for 2 minutes to create steam that loosens grime. Then, wipe the interior with a clean cloth. Wash the glass plate with vinegar before placing it back inside. For the exterior, spray a mixture of water and white vinegar and wipe it down for a spotless finish. Let's talk trash cans. Kitchen trash cans can attract germs and pests. To maintain hygiene, do a deep clean once a month. Empty your trash can. Rinse it out. When the sun's shining and you've got a hose handy, why not treat your trash can to an outdoor spa day? Spray and soak with all-purpose cleaner or baking soda. Scrub it. It's time to get your hands dirty. Grab a sponge or long-handled bristle brush and scrub the inside and outside to eliminate any dirt and grime. Rinse again and dry. Next, let the can air dry or wipe it down completely with paper towels or a towel. To keep things fresh, place an air freshener at the bottom of the bin. The pleasant scent can last up to 60 days. Just open it. Set it directly in the bin and then add a new bag. This small air freshener will diffuse a great fragrance in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Every family has a unique cleaning routine, and this video provides a basic checklist for a clean kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Stay tuned for more home cleaning ideas and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon.